I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Now, if y'all have watched any of my homemade ice cream videos, you know that I have 4 golden rules when it comes to making ice cream in an electric ice cream maker. These 4 rules are completely essential for getting the best homemade ice cream you can possibly make. Now, I'm a Cuisinart girl, but most electric ice cream makers have the same basic design. Rule number 1, your freezer bowl must be in the freezer for at least 24 hours before you plan to make ice cream. Don't try to rush this step or you're going to get soupy ice cream. This bowl needs to be in the freezer at least 24 hours. Rule number 2, your liquid ice cream mixture needs to be covered and placed in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. That's why I like to use a metal bowl. You might be tempted to skip this step because you think your milk, your cream, or maybe any other liquid ingredients you're adding are already cold. If you skip this step or shortcut this step, your ice cream is going to be soupy. 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. The next rule, churn your ice cream for 20 to 30 minutes. Anything less than that, your ice cream may not be fully churned. Anything more than that, your freezer bowl might actually start to melt. Churn your ice cream 20 to 30 minutes. I kept this ice cream in the freezer overnight, and as you can see, it's now the perfect scoop consistency. So golden rule number 4, if you want to be able to scoop, this needs to stay in the freezer for several hours or overnight. Would y'all just look at that? Ooh! I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Don't forget to tune in on Monday, and in the meantime, just keep jamming.